Okay, hello guys. I hope you're doing well today. Uh, it's been quite a while since I done a live stream. Um, the reason is basically that I was feeling a little bit more stressed, or I thought that like I might be more kinda like more like relaxed and be more focused if I don't do any live streams. Because when I'm trying to talk during the live streams, I may miss a few things. So I just decided to try not to do any live stream, but I keep posting all my trades in the on the Discord I have now. But I decided to do like a quick update of the last 10 days. I'm trading with Apex. So now you see, basically, I was just a little bit bored, to be honest, and I thought I might do the live stream as well. Just the reason is like, I keep tracking all my trades here, depending on the setup, stop, ticks, targets, returns, realized R notes and stuff. And I keep reviewing my trades on the weekly and monthly basis to see where I'm standing at. Yeah, I was just feeling it, and I was feeling a little bit bored as well. So say I might do this. Why not? Also, I transitioned from TradeViz, which was my or previous software tracking, like for stats and stuff. When I moved to TradeZilla, uh, the last time I tried the TradeZilla was a long time ago. Must have been quite a year, maybe, or 9 months or so. And they've done quite a few improvements since then, and I really like it so far. So that's why I decided to give it another go. So I'm just gonna show you what's going on. So for the last week, let me see. Yes, okay. So I have everything in here. So basically, it's been going well. My first week, it was a little bit slow. I got only around how much? $200 in the whole week. One day I didn't trade, the other one just had a minor loss. And basically, was the reason that here I had around, I remember, $200 in the day, and then I decided to take another trade during the overnight session, which didn't go well. So I kind of hit my DLL, but because Rhythmic, I put in the Rhythmic a hard DLL to stop me out and lock me out for the day. So when I got locked out on this day, because 19th was a holiday, so it was considered to be like one day for Rhythmic. So basically, when I got the trade on the 19th, which was by the way, because it was on ETH, counted on the same day as Wednesday, it locked me out also on the 20th, so that I couldn't take any trades. So basically, uh, it damaged me like in many different ways. For first, uh, all the 200s that I got in this day, they got lost, and then there was another really decent opportunity to get a properly around 115 to $200 on Friday, but I was locked out, as I said, so I couldn't take any trades. This is like a minor attempt to enter, which Rhythmic stopped me right away, and it counted as a trade, but it's not a trade actually. I'm not gonna go into details because it's gonna take a long time to show you all the trades. But this is what happened the previous week. I got locked out because of a stupid trade on the ETH, but I'm not gonna trade anymore Asia session. I locked myself out. Yeah, first week was slow. This week started with a Sunday open, not very good trade, just $30. Tuesday I didn't trade. Uh, Wednesday went really well, and yesterday it was a very difficult session. As you know, Powell was Powell's pitch. It was very slow market, uh, and I must admit that I broke my rules. I over leveraged, but I had a very good ground to do so. Uh, because if you see the markets, again, I'm not going to go into the details. If you see the market today, there was just going to show you what I mean very fast. So you see here, this much trades basically. Okay, yeah. So this much trades in a nutshell. I tried to go long because I saw this one was hold the DVA high was holding the yearly. Tried again, I entered. Then again, I was for longs here. Since we dived into, I thought that was kind of a failed breakdown or rejection of the VPOC. Again, didn't go through, was stopped out. And then as I was getting the sense that market is getting stabilized around 6130, 6140s, which was this CVA spot. So I was figuring out that it's getting stabilized here. So I was trying to add the average down because if you see this, one second now. Because if you see this one here, and you see it was getting stabilized around the POC, as I said, and that was around also the overnight low. So there was a failed breakdown here happened at the overnight low, but there was no follow through immediately. So what happened is came again stabilized, it couldn't break down, and what it did, it happened what I was expecting to. So I was expecting a pullback at the VWAP at some point, and that's why I was averaged down. But because I was with 1 minute, I was very heavy here, and I saw it going down again. I just protected my account and I said, okay, I'm gonna stop and take the $189 loss instead of because we could see probably market could retest that again. I didn't want to do retest that with 1 minute, so I just decided to go get out here. But then again, while I was off the charts, uh, while I was off the charts, I saw price. I saw my Rhythmic Pro that price broke the 6140, 6142 to be honest. This one, so I decided to go long. And I had my on my mind to take out the 6147. So I just decided to go long on my phone, and I bet heavy again. I went to 2 minutes, so I got from here up to here like this kind of like a quick quick trade. That brought me into the green day with as I said around plus 214 or something. Uh, yeah, and as I said, it was a green day, but I'm not satisfied because I oversized. It was 221, but I had to oversize to get that one, and it was quite risky. So I'm not happy with that, and I'm gonna put this everything on my review. So starting from tomorrow, I'm just kind of on a clean slate, kind of, and I'm gonna pay far more attention on the risk. Just make sure uh, to keep that in check while I'm trading. I got the magic keys, which helped me with MT5, which is very useful to be honest, because as you know, like for example, like as you know, the MT can calculate in real time depending on your risk you put through. So how many contracts you're allowed to do to place, which is a good stuff. I used to have linked both accounts to trade on MT and copy on Sierra Chat, but I had problems with the copier. And instead of dealing with problems, just decided to have this one as an advisory tool and just take the trade directly on the Sierra chart. But it's a very good tool for for calculating your lot size. And anyway, yeah, so week is going okay so far with a bit of risk and a bit of risk and trade. But yeah, that's it so far. I hope you're doing well as well. And I'll try to do another recap on the next week. Next week I'm going to be moving to another house, so probably I'm not going to be taking any trades on the next first days, probably Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday or something. Um, but I'm sure I'm going to do like probably a recap at the end of the next week. Anyway, you have a good day. That was up for me. Yeah, and have a good session today.